YouTube offers its creators a set of features called the InVideo programming features to try and increase the number of views that YouTube creators are getting on their videos that they upload to YouTube. Let's see how we can make use of these InVideo programming features. From the Creator Studio dashboard, I'm going to click on the channel link on the left side of the screen. From here, I'm going to click on InVideo programming. Now, on this screen right here, we have the 3 different InVideo programming options available for us to customize. The first one is a watermark, which is a feature that YouTube creators can use to overlay their logo on top of all of their videos that they upload to YouTube. So let's go ahead and add a watermark to our YouTube videos. I'm going to click on the Add a Watermark button. In the pop-up box that appears, Google tells us that it's best to use a transparent image because this is actually going to be overlaid over your video, and if it's transparent, users can still see some of the content below that watermark. It's also important to note that the optimal size for a watermark on YouTube is 50 pixels by 50 pixels. So I've already created a watermark. I'm going to click on the Choose File button to select our watermark and upload it to YouTube. Here's our land and watermark. I'm going to click Open and then Save. It shows me a preview of the watermark that I've uploaded. I can click Save again. Once I save my watermark, you'll see that YouTube now displays a few other options for us to customize exactly when this watermark appears in our videos. We can either choose a custom start time at the end of the video, or we can have the watermark displayed for the entire video. If you choose to use the custom start time option, be aware that this watermark applies to all of your videos on YouTube, so even though the videos are different lengths, this watermark is going to appear at the same time in all of them. So for this example right now, we'll choose the entire video, and then we'll click Update. Once we finish going through the other InVideo programming options that YouTube offers, we'll take a look at one of our videos to see how the watermark and the other options work within our videos. If we scroll down the page a little bit here, the second option we have is the ability to feature a video or playlist in all of our videos on YouTube. So what this will do is when a user is watching our video at some point during the video, in the bottom left corner, a little pop-up is going to appear that says, "Hey, we also recommend that you watch this other video that the land and hotel organizations uploaded to their channel, or this other playlist that they've uploaded to their YouTube channel." So let's click on the Feature a Video or Playlist button to add a featured video to our channel. In the pop-up that appears, we have the option to feature our most recent upload or to choose a specific video or playlist to feature on our channel. The choice is obviously yours. I do want to mention that you might want to be careful about choosing a specific video or playlist, however, because if you have users that are watching multiple videos on your channel, if you're featuring the same video in all of your videos, those users might get bored, they might have already seen that video, and it's probably going to convert a little less. But if you choose your most recent upload, every time you upload a new video to YouTube, the video that's featured in all of your videos is going to change, so it keeps it fresh and new. So we'll go ahead and we'll choose most recent upload and click Save. When we save that option, we have a few more settings that we can customize about our featured video. We can choose, do we want it to be displayed at the end of our video or at a custom start time? I'll choose end of video, but there's one other option here for the featured video, and that's the option to optimize the timing here on YouTube. What this will do is YouTube will actually look at your videos and say, well, most people usually leave this video at the 2-minute mark. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to feature this video before the 2-minute mark, before most users are leaving this video. So even though we're choosing end of video, this featured video may actually show up before the end of the video just because YouTube has determined that that's the optimal time to feature this video. Let's click Update to apply that setting. The last InVideo programming option that YouTube offers is the option to add a branding intro. Earlier in the course, I mentioned that it's a good idea to add a branded intro to your videos before you actually upload them to YouTube. But if you've already uploaded a number of videos to YouTube without a branded intro, this is your opportunity to add an intro to all of those videos all at the same time. If we click on the Add a Branding Intro button, in the pop-up that appears, YouTube lets us know that in order to add a branding intro to our videos, that intro actually has to be less than 3 seconds, which to me is the caveat to this feature on YouTube. If you add your intro before you actually upload the video to YouTube, You have complete customization. You can make that intro as long as you want. If you add it after the fact, it does have to be less than 3 seconds. So go ahead and create an intro that's less than 3 seconds and upload it to your YouTube channel. When you do that, any of your videos that are less than 3 seconds will appear in this section to select as your branded intro. Now, in the videos that we have in our YouTube channel already, we've already added an intro, so I'm not going to use this feature right now, but all I'd have to do would be to click the Save button, and this intro video would be added to the beginning of all of the videos we've uploaded to YouTube. But for now, I'll click Cancel. Let's take a look at one of our YouTube videos to see how the branding watermark and the featured video works. You can see that this is a really short video, so right away our suggested video appears in the bottom left corner, and the watermark appears at the top of our video. Let's go back and pause it here. We can see there's the featured video on the bottom left and the watermark at the top right. As the user is watching this video, they know who's represented in the video because of the watermark at the top, and hopefully we can get them to watch another video on our channel by having that suggested video in the bottom left corner. This is a great way to increase the amount of views that you're going to get on your YouTube channel.